When your Black& Decker portable air conditioner isn't working properly, a power reset is the first troubleshooting step you should try. This simple process can resolve most common issues. Step 1. Turn off your air conditioner using the power button on the unit. Make sure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Step 2. Unplug the unit from the wall outlet. This completely disconnects the air conditioner from power and allows it to reset. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal components to fully discharge and reset. This is crucial for clearing temporary glitches. Step 4. Plug the unit back into the outlet and turn it on. The air conditioner should now be reset and ready to operate normally. Important: check your power cord for an LCDI plug. This safety feature has test and reset buttons. If the reset button has popped out, press it back in to reestablish the connection. Power resetting resolves a significant percentage of air conditioner problems. Always try this simple process first before calling for service. It's quick, safe, and often gets your AC running again. When a power reset doesn't solve your air conditioner problems, error codes provide specific information about what's wrong with your unit. Error codes are two-letter combinations that appear on your air conditioner's display screen. Each code represents a specific problem that needs attention. Let's examine the most common error codes you'll encounter. FL means your drain tank is full and needs to be emptied immediately. LT indicates low temperature protection. This is actually a safety feature that prevents frost buildup. The unit should restart automatically once defrosting is complete. PF signals probe failure, which means there's a problem with the temperature sensor inside your unit. Here's an example of how error codes are documented in technical manuals. Different models may have various codes, but the principle remains the same. Error codes typically appear on your remote control display or the unit's built-in screen. Some displays show dashes when communication is lost. The E-series error codes, E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5, all indicate problems with thermistor sensors. These are temperature sensing components that require professional diagnosis. Some units also display error codes on the outdoor unit itself. These codes help technicians diagnose specific component failures. You should consult a qualified technician when error codes persist after basic troubleshooting, especially if you hear hissing noises, which could indicate a refrigerant leak. Refrigerant leaks are serious issues that require immediate professional attention. Never ignore hissing sounds or persistent cooling problems. Regular maintenance, especially cleaning your air filters, can prevent many error codes from appearing. Clean filters improve cooling efficiency by 15 to 20% and reduce strain on temperature sensors. Remember, error codes are your air conditioner's way of communicating problems. Address them promptly and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.